So in variable topic, let's first discuss the type of variable. After we will know about how can we write a data for every variable, and we will make some examples. Variable has five types. Let's write it here to know will variable in Java. The first one is integer. Integer is using for the whole numbers like 2, 3, 5,000. These are whole number. The other kind is float. Float is another kind of variable. It's using for non-whole number like 2.3, like 5.9. These are non-whole numbers. So let's go to another kind of a variable. It's called character. We are using char. This variable is using to save the character. If you know, character is an English word. So like we can save our data by writing the uh, one slag like a, like I. These are the character. So other type is string. In string we can save the data. Which kind of data we are writing, like a full name, a whole name, a sentence. Even we can save a character. But for string, if you want to save the data, we need for the double points, like he is a student, like this is, or another, like John. So the last one is called boolean. Boolean is also only using for true and false. We will make example for each of them, or 1 and 0. So these are all the type of variable, and we need for these variables to save our data. So let's speak about variable. What is variable? Variable is just a container for you and help you to save your data in these variables.
I need your motivation. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you like the video, don't forget to like the video.
Now to declare a variable, there are just three steps for you. The first, just specify your variable. Which type of data do you have? If you have integer, float, character, string, boolean, it depends on you. So for example, I have a data that is integer. It's a whole number. So I should write declare the variable. That's the first step. The second step is choose or specify a name for your variable, like name for variable, like x name, like y. It depends on you which kind of name you want to specify. And the last one is just give the value. Give the value. So let's write practice here and write actually here. I wanna write a method. Okay, let's first declare a variable. This is called integer. This is a variable. After that, I want to give a name. Name. This is just a name of this variable. And after that, no, okay. Integer doesn't have a name. Integer like number. After that, I'm giving a value like 5. Okay. Now, this is, I declared here the integer, a value for integer. Okay. Now, I wanna declare a value for float. Float. Now, okay. Number 2, I'm giving a value like 60.4. Okay, let's, for character, we specify like alphabet. Okay. A. It's for string. Name like Ahmed, and like for boolean chance true. So now I declared value for each of these variables. Now let's print all of them. How to print? So I choose value for all of them. Now let's print all of them. How to print all of them? For printing, just you are writing system.out.print.len, and inside this you are writing the number plus, just giving two space after that. I'm giving number 2. Okay, let's specify here like it is integer. I'm writing here a number the same. I am printing all of them. It's float, it's character, it's string, it's boolean. Okay, its name is 2, it's alphabet, right here the name, chance. Okay, let's print it now. Double is also same like it doesn't matter. JavaScript variables dot Java. Okay, I have one other mistake. Okay, you should write the string as uppercase. Okay, now it will be okay. Let's compile it. Variables dot Java. Oh, my bad. Joseph variables dot Java variable. Okay. Now here you see these are the outputs. It's integer, it's float, it's character, it's string, and it's boolean. So this was the lesson, the class of variables. Now you know how many types of variables do we have in Java. We have 5 type of variables, and integer is using for the whole number, double is using for non-whole number, character is using for just character, stringer is using for a name, a sentence, and boolean is using for true and false, or 0 and 1. So thank you very much for now.